Mema Ovivia Kwaba about Gypsy News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kennedy Agyapong Wakasana wa reply and some of your Freddy Opare Ansa and the two say or no now would demand $5 million every year vice president for annual contractor and so on. Then I'm also anything that Kennedy Agyapong say or better contest the Bawumia. Now not Kennedy in some degree about you. Now I'm the assembly in our Bremo. Mr. Say so we can subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say over subscribe. You'll be honest over click subscribe button no na wa barely notification no where the video for be upload no also what's can be after we are now like video no on my thumbs up na fe wa share ma ofoforo so enya bi share afi yenko ensemi Kennedy Agyapong wo de ensema to na ye hwe story e beto abontin no and when I was screen so say MPP race I was offered $8 million to step down, Kennedy Agyapong alleges. Now, you share details of the story. You share story, no, details. What kind of story now? Say, New Patriotic Party flag bearer for Kennedy Agyapong has responded to claims by former member of parliament for Suhum Frederick Opare Ansa that he made a demand of $5 million in contract from Vice President Dr. Bawumia as a condition to step down from his flag bearership bid. While refuting the allegation in an interview on Time FM on Sunday, blah blah blah, Kennedy Agyapong rather alleged that he was offered an amount of $800 million to step down from the party race. And some of Frederick Opare Ansah no demanding $5 million, $500 million. Said Vice President Union and say Afibiano contractor Kobinya and no be can say sika ye see a day man $800 million said or best step down let's say presidential race in Kenya dia obeko now we die amaya Bawumia ako. Now what one story so say does he know the number of people who have approached me, but for the love of Ghana and the delegates I said I will never do it. Now Kennedy just say we did do when appear bemo sense of draw woman Ghana to sit in Nadia obey. Now Kennedy and Assembly to Jana yes semeno yet a year or no myself and some of Kafa home a bra or copy or a year time FM year Totona you receive and some of can and some of this assembly to the 8 years summer a year Kennedy Agyapong editor in
party no for try best CB but almost best no coming penny because Emra and somebody was complaining and I'm saying I lunch matinti they didn't care and then the Oko Panicho. Me do desire media. Hey, second shoulder. Me some boo. See, Owusu de edom beko. Yeah, wo de dom beko. Yeah, Owusu de dom beko. So we try say we repeat it 26 August. Delegates mun die ni me mpe basabasa there be abeti so me argue be a defense mechanism. All right, what you say ya mompaye all right na election committee a police for no regional executives bi ekohunu police for no mu kona boy eniomo ye nyina ehuni ya call report ya sa ni IGP no mo hia EC for a omu compromise ye me say omu gina na regu senior high school na yede rubber plastic edua bi abo ala nipa no oda form obri no abaka jira make me say mami $500 million na me step down oni nipa dodo a approach me me say delegates any Ghana who don't I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, he should ask Mr. Opare.
Oh, they offered.
They offered $800 million.
Not even 500.
No. Says I know can there and I'm saying they see for Ghana first. Namono 2016 namun doing top pickups. And then they owe me $800 million. This means for. Hey, but I have not. I have not.
And I want to see by Jesus can.
Maybe I won't hear me say, let's drop the E. Now, what the November 4th, yeah. What do I say? Yeah, person tempting me as a Mecca BB, no Marco, okay, but they offered $800 million. Almost friend Mr. Pombuzu, on them in Casana from $800 million. And I'm saying, Ghana who don't mean yet. Now the mean
Time FM.
because Jesus is going in our Ghana, watch the woman, mean yet. I've not done it. Besides that, I'm painful. I think me a friend me, a pamicho, some me vice president. They say, what do you mean vice president cry? Oh my catch him please. Who vice president cry on tomorrow? Say you want to lead Ghana. Now we must serve under this government. Who don't buy you? Why should I even step down near co-opposition? And you mean and you mean a different person who. Se mutu nya Ghana for nipa be 10 ti second Japan mi nwamanum ka Ghana be konanim Ghana ke be konanim
Dare ana wona call bono region hot
come on yes he said John say you see me nya completed because John say fear delegate okay August 26 he just say fear delegate it media bono from
bono ye
ya to we are ne be sibia no
na sika ye de me ma your friend saying delegate so mon jin konkoto aba no do you think say ebeboa ya man yosem
you know mama advice me nuanom MPs they are going to be in big trouble because super delegate sika no a ebem no MPs no e ko contester they were delegates ni be demanded from them no ebe ya wiro. But you see, Sika, you don't get the right person and go back to me a boom mine, and now bet me a leading constituency. Into a very, very dangerous. See, Kumasiha, and no more gunning. Chairman Bia, or Koji Land Cruiser Prado, and one would be gunning, a Owusu, and then the one Namkasa Wani, set the Land Cruiser Prado no back at them. Now, the argument be a Sako, say, Montuma, any passimes, Yanya Sa, Mahama. Ebeka say any Owusu esirimfo a na ya dompo. Is that an argument? Na me ma asantifo delegates any Ghana delegates in NTA say I just came from the north. They don't think like that.
Oh yeah.
No. Yeah. Tribe by tribe. Umusano. Omu different. Kusasi se Mamprusi ewo problem. Mamprusi and Gonjas ewo problem. Nanumba Kokomba ewo problem. Dagomba diwe ewo problem. Inti abebi omukotubia obia to for ni survivor. Se obia oba ome kunkum ni tribe for. Obi oba ni tribe for betimi aye. This is the dynamics ewo ho. Inti mpemfo omu wa ha. Omu na mo de tribal ayi. Ekon ehonu momo ya tribal no chen asia na wa ukoto ama muntie ni efe muntie argument hwe enom kohia nhia so for ne yase momo kan so se mo anto ama enipa sumasia mahama beka se Owusu sirimfo a ne adompo wo mu entimomi enkoto ma ai wo obi a ya choose as a flag bearer for NDC ono na sema wo kan ye na wo de koye adwuma a wonim se enipa we no wo de ne ba Ghana fo ho afono no won beto atia no wo say changing I have to satisfy my opponent. What kind of argument are they making? And party Asante and painful ne wa no and a di anim e tribal say oh let's satisfy Mahama is going to contest asema me kan o man tiase Mahama mekano New Jersey. Mahama NDC ofiri soro ho.
Time
se Bawumia winia NDC ofiri soro ho. Ayarega efiri soro ho.
Time FM.
Apasara efiri soro ho.
Time FM.
There's a CPP ndi nipa be 5. Omo nyina kopre the smallest regions.
Time FM.
Enti enunti wo se nipa 5 munti eni yo. Enipa 5 we nyina kopre 5 northern regions. Ukabomwa the 5 northern regions. Ukam western region. Western north.
Okay.
Central. Esocha in the 5 northern regions. What do you say?
Yeah.
Esucheno. Na any penum from the small area no contest it. Aji vote here and there. Inti who candidate no vote ahinkwa no betimi dia ba. Wo si anu nti chinchina positions akesi awadi wo wiase nyina no. Asantefo politicians no eso munye satisfied you know. They have to satisfy that person who is going to share votes with about 5-0 a presidential candidate. Does it make sense to you? Na inti wo hwa Mahama ho. Mahama sama wakachire wo delegates muntie ni yo. Mahama asama wakachire MPP for. Na this year ubenya ebia 5-0. Womu din wa ballot so. Womu nim wa ballot so. Eko share votes e 5-0 regions no. Enu hunti who satisfy Mahama amiyako opposition. Womu mpe MPP.
Now, Honorable, the coming back of John, the former president, John Dramani Mahama, MPP, in Bomu, at this moment, say, Ote now who say the former president, lead the NDC about 2024.
Time except Kennedy Agyapong. Because Obi Aobe a track record and won't be play. Me track record. A business employment that I've created, which Mahama has never. 97.7. Okay, you say, okay, Kennedy Agyapong, Onim Kasa. Into Obi Onim Kasa. No bet me more mana ye. Now, Oba, where we school, Fiancia, 1 year Jumanye. Now, Obi Onim Kasa Bebano bet me and Jumaya. What's your Obia? Good to see you. How are you? Oh, you are fine. Now, but if you know Yajuma, and no number. Mahama eba edi asem no obeka sa na breso eno ye graduate unemployment association
time FM.
What you say? I will have a lot of message to hit back to NDC, but the rest of our candidates, they don't have any message to challenge Mahama. They don't. Delegates muntie ni you ye contestants minu omu ye nyina. Nobody has a message obenya kukudro to hit Mahama.
Hey, that is a new wadia going forward 2024.
Edding. Another uko jomo ya kachira wonte.
Time
uko jomo ya kachira wonte. Utina trotro mo ya kachira wonte. Ufa Uber ya kachira wonte. Ufa VIP ya kachira wonte. Edi aswodini abema ni mnyamfo.
Yo, it's for winning and some year Kennedy Agyapong, in some of the two journal, a year Bawumia the campaign team, one so about Bonting about responding. Now, our story no say we didn't offer Kennedy Agyapong $800 million to step down. Bawumia camp rubbish bribery claim. Now, Maminka Mukakra say the Bawumia campaign team has refuted allegations by Kennedy Agyapong, a contender of the MPP flag bearership race, that he was offered $800 million to withdraw from the presidential primary contest. According to the team, this claim by Kennedy Agyapong does not reflect the truth. This comes after the Asin Central MP Kennedy Agyapong alleged that he was offered $800 million by some party bigwigs to step down from the race for the vice president. Let's say, somebody Kennedy Agyapong able to do an Bawumia the campaign team for one day, but says as some Kennedy say. Momano, moye emergency man says ka mo so say no crazy one e kan no crazy yo eti for ka say juicy so e na wo hwe no say wunyan subscribe ya na say over subscribe no like na wa share video no wo so betimi a kire wadwen afa ense we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.